and today I'm gonna show you that I'm gonna make a sword from this piece of wood. And the tools that I'm going to use is this. I'm gonna use this to take off the pieces of wood. This too. If I have to, I might have to use this as well. And I'm just gonna use, if I don't have to use that, I'm just gonna use a normal simple saw. Put this in the clamp and I'll show you when I'm getting ready to make it. So I'm gonna show you a few demos that I made. This sword right over here I think was my second one I made. I added a bit of paint on it, some of it scratched off.
It's already torn and battered.
I think this one was my latest one. Small dagger that I made. I added duct tape at the end so it's smoother. This. A few of you might recognize this as a sword from the drama So I'm gonna make it out of this. You put the piece of wood in it. If your wood has anything like this, at first you can just saw that off. I'm gonna use this saw because I think it will be more faster. Just a quick reminder, if you want to be more quicker and safer, I'd recommend using this. But if you want to take time and like more detailed, I think use proper saw. So use a small one if you want to do faster and safer. So that's done. We're gonna add a few markings. I'm gonna make my handle up to here. If you have a wider piece of wood, you can make your sword with a handguard. Make the lines. I'm gonna make a cut in it, in both sides, and I'm just gonna use this. So basically, it's hard doing it with someone, so I'm just gonna turn it around. Try to do as safe as you can. And by the way, we didn't buy this, my father made this. How I made the plastic Earthbound sword, me and my father did most of the work. We made metal version. We're still in the middle of it, we're just gonna add handle here. You already know I'm just gonna use this and just make it to the right size. So I'll see you when I'm moving on to the blade. One side of the handle, and now I'm just gonna use sandpaper. I'm gonna sand it. I think it's 80 grit, so
So to get the best results, use 80 grit.
I wouldn't recommend using this for the blade. I'd recommend using this. It's more rougher. I don't know what the grit is, so if you have one of these, you probably know what it is. So if you have one, I'd recommend using this for the blade. That side of the handle is already done. I'll see you when the handle's done. The handle's done, so now I'm just gonna sand it with same sandpaper. And make the blade will be it's pretty easy if you have one of these. If you don't have one of these, I'd recommend just getting or saw like this and just add an edge on it like that. I recommend using this, but if you don't have one of them, just use a saw.
Subscribe and press the notification bell so you can get reminded whenever I make a new video.
I'm just gonna use this sandpaper and add a few finishing touches. So it's so far like this over here. There's an edge on it now. We just need to add the edge on the other side. Quick reminder that that was part 1 of the sword, so there's part 2, so stay tuned, like, share and subscribe, and see you in the next video.